Welcome, I've been asked a few times now to do some Troopers. So today we're going to look at Troopers 2022 Snare Break and it goes just like this. It's short and sweet, but it's fun to play. Let's get stuck straight in on that first bar. We're in 3-4, which simply means we count to 3 instead of 4, and we're in triplets. So that first bar, we're simply going to count 1 under, 2 under, 3 under, 1 under, 2 under, 3 under, 1 under, 2 under, 3 under. I'll play it so you can hear it. I'm going to play it real slow. We're going to go right down tempo, so we're going to get... That's the pattern, what we've got. The best way I learned this was split it into threes. So the first 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, just a drop right. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm playing a right hand lead triplet off the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 with a release, the fourth note. 1, 2, 3, release. 1, 2, 3, release. So I get. All I'm doing then at the end is I'm playing tap 5. The real speed is somewhere like 180. We're going to play it right the way down about 130. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Now the second bar sounds the same, but we're going on the left. So let's look at that one. You can see that we get right, left, 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 right, left. 1 under, 2 under, 3. 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 And then I'm playing left hand tap 5 again, so I get. So the two together become that. Let's do it with the map. Whole line. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Last time. Second line. Sounds like this. So what do we got there? Well, we start off with a Swiss triplet, so no flam, just a Swiss triplet, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left. Then we're into a hairter. Well, hairters are basically these, very quick, slow, very quick, slow, very quick, slow, very quick, slow. What we're doing is we're playing them all quiet, apart from the last note. Like that, so the first two parts are going to go. Now it ends with, which is a 5-stroke with a release. So, whole of that. 2, 3, 4, sorry. 1, 2, 3, ready, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. This next bar, most difficult bar in the snare break, in my opinion. What we're doing here is we're starting off going into duple, which basically means doubles, 16th, 8th notes, 32nd notes. Well, what we got here was we've got a pattern that goes 1 under 2. Well, that's easy. 1 under 2. We play then to E and. So if we play it to the and note, we just got 1 under 2 E and, 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 3, 1. Well, if I go all the way to the 1, you can see what's next. Well, I've got this 32nd notes with a 4 written across the top. Basically, what this is saying to me is that from the and of 2, 1 under 2 E and, between that note there and the 1, I've got to squash in 8 notes. Now, it's easier for me to teach you this if I start off by teaching you with 6 notes, because that's going to be something you're going to recognise. It's going to be 16th notes. So if I play a paradiddle diddle there, then it's going to sound like this. So double accents. Paradiddle diddle stop. If we play that, it's quite easy. 1 and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. 1 and a 2 a paradiddle diddle stop. 1 and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. 1 and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. 1 and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. 1 and a 2 E now. So between those two nows, I've not got to play 6, I've got to play 8. So if we look at the pattern, we're doing a paradiddle diddle with an extra diddle at the end and then a left hand release. So paradiddle diddle diddle stop. Paradiddle diddle diddle stop. Paradiddle diddle diddle stop. So if I go back and forth between the paradiddle diddle and then the version with the 8 in there, I'll get. Now if I do it with the Met, I know that I'm playing it correct. 1, 2, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. If you're struggling, go back to the paradiddle. 2, 3. And they alternate, so then the paradiddle. Whole line then. So from the Swiss. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Next line. This next line we start off with a triplet and then we go into 16th notes. So if we were filling in all the notes, it would go 1 triplet, 2, 3, 4. 1 triplet, 2, 3, 4. However, we're playing a nice little tap, triplets, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Then we're playing a grandma, which is paradiddle stop, but with the left hands up. Paradiddle stop, paradiddle stop. So we get, with a metronome, 2, 3. So 2 different speeds. 2, 3. Now the next bar looks the same, but you can see it's right hand lead and there's an extra diddle in there. So we get. So 2 back to back. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Final line. We get this kind of 4/3 sort of feel here. What we're actually doing is we're just getting 1 E under 2 E under 3 E under 1. 1 E under 2 E under 3 E under 1. But instead of playing groupings of 4 notes, which is what I've just done there, we're going to be playing groupings of 3 notes. So it's going to give us this 1 E under 2 E under 3 E under 1. 1 E under 2 E under 3 E under 1. Well, you can see they're just back triplets, aren't they? 1 E under 2 E under 3 E under 1. Well, the first 2 are on the drum, the final 2 are on the rim shot. So, and a quiet release. 1 E under 2 E under 3 E under 1. 1 E under 2 E under 3 E under 1. 1 E under 2 E under 3 E under 1. 1 E under 2 E under 3 E under 1. We might as well go straight to that next bar before we do the metronome. You can see we've got 1 E under 2 triplet, 3 triplet stop. And that's going to go. So the whole line would go 1 E under 2 E under 3 E under 1 E under 2 E under 3 under 4. I'll split these with the Met. I played that wrong. So I've got to think 16ths, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Last time. So So that's the whole of the exercise learned, but way down tempo, right? I'll play the whole thing for you like I always do. Maybe a couple of times at 130, then maybe, I don't know, 155, something like that, and then up at 180. The other thing that's difficult on this is the transitions between one line to another, right? Sometimes what you're going to need to do when you take these lessons from me is you're going to need to get the end of the section, maybe an advert comes up, maybe you just pause it and you try and figure out the transitions between one part and another, right? I don't expect you to just instantly be able to play all this all the way through. However, if you can, join in with me because we're going to do it right now. So we're going to back at the start, so we're at the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. It's quite difficult that speed, I won't lie, so let's go. Okay, that's a little bit more realistic. 1, there we go, we're going to count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And let's take it way up. Let's go 180. So the difficult bit now is that paradiddle, diddle, diddle. Right, just push through that quick, right? It's going to be real quick. Here we go. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also that end bit, push there, right? Here we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is that. I think you guys are better to play this one. Start real slow, go a little bit faster, a little bit faster, a little bit faster. Before you know it, you'll be playing the whole of this exercise. Got my t-shirts on today, right? If any of you guys want to check out the merch, go check it out underneath in YouTube. I don't talk a lot about this book, so I thought I'd mention this today. In marching drumming, grids are such a massively important part of you understanding how to move your feet and your hands together. I've got a whole book with literally hundreds of grids in here, all different sorts of grids for you to go away and learn. Many, many, many of you have bought my red book over the years. This book doesn't get quite as much love, and so I thought it was about time I told you about this book so you guys can go check it out. You can get it on Amazon, or if you want to buy a PDF, you can go check it out on my website. Thanks for watching. As always, leave your comments below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you imagine to play this. Let me know anything you want me to break down. I know you guys are keen for me to do some of the snare breaks from this year. I'll see you soon with a lesson. Thanks for watching.